6:48 right now on your Monday morning.
It's going to be a toasty one today, huh, Rob?
Yeah, this is the time of the year we start calling up the friend that owns the boat, right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and we've got a nice little view here over top of Lake Guntersville right now, 68 degrees. A little bit of light fog occasionally, but that's starting to lift and clear out. So we're left with just mostly high, thin clouds. So a lot of sun getting through here this morning and into this afternoon. So if you're heading out on some of the lakes and rivers, just make sure you have a way to stay cool, make sure you have that sun protection, and stay hydrated. Lake Guntersville right around 90 here this afternoon. Just a light north wind at 3 miles per hour. Remember back to last week, we were tracking winds up to about 30 to 40 miles per hour from out of the southeast. So some better conditions out on the water here for your Monday. Wheeler Lake closer to about 93 this afternoon. West winds at about 4 miles per hour. And we'll likely see highs closer to the mid 90s by tomorrow. And as I mentioned, again, lighter winds throughout the entire day today, all the way through about the mid to late afternoon hours. Winds are close to calm conditions. So just kind of a light and variable wind for your Monday afternoon, picking up a little bit by this evening, but not too bad at all, especially compared to what we saw last week. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, other than a little bit of that light fog that's now starting to erode and clear, just these high thin clouds drifting in from out of the west and zooming out, all of that tropical moisture that's brought the flooding to Louisiana and Texas continues to kind of travel off to the north, right through Arkansas into Missouri, and then it kind of rotates clockwise around this giant high right on top of the southeast. But by tomorrow, Wednesday and into Thursday, we're going to start to see some of that moisture get a little bit closer to North Alabama. So the humidity is going to go up over the next few days, and it's also going to increase our chances for showers and storms. This is the humidity tracker, the deeper greens, that's the muggy, sticky conditions, and it takes until about Wednesday before we start to get some of these darker greens on top of North Alabama. And you'll notice that the worst conditions west of I-65, that's also where we expect the best rain chances by this upcoming Wednesday. So if you have outdoor plans, just keep in mind there is a lightning threat by the middle of this week. Future radar and satellite for the rest of today, just expecting these passing clouds. In the late afternoon hours, you'll notice some towering clouds building up, but just lacking the instability and moisture to fire off any showers and storms. Tomorrow, there is some data that indicates just enough moisture and instability that we could see a stray shower, but most areas should stay completely dry all the way through your Tuesday evening. So the trash pandas, other than the heat tomorrow, should be fine as we kick off that new home stretch. Tomorrow is the peak of the heat wave, right around 94, 95, and then down to 92 on Wednesday, but that also comes with a little bit more moisture, so it's going to be uncomfortable in the afternoon. Rain chances peak right around Friday ahead of a main cold front coming in. Thankfully now heading into this holiday weekend, most of the recent data pushes that cold front well off to our south, bringing in drier conditions by Saturday and Sunday. So there's a look at future radar. This is 5 o'clock here on Wednesday afternoon. You'll notice the best rain chances near and west of I-65. Then by Thursday, starting to see some more scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. And then by Friday, the main cold front races in from out of the northwest. But by Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, look where all the rain is. It's well off to our south, closer to the coast, and we stay dry as we kick off the holiday weekend.
6:50.